Hello, tech lovers. I'm here to do a product review on the Hollyland mic. This mic is a very unique mic that every content creator or podcast, or if you're a business owner that you create content with your business, you need this Hollyland mic. Okay, so in this mic we have the mic itself, right? We have the receiver. Okay, so I'm going to be showing us the work of everything. So this is the mic, right? This is the receiver. Okay, as you can see, this is the receiver. This is where you switch it on. Yeah, this is where you switch it on. Then the yellow part is the noise cancellation. I'm going to show us how to use it. And we have this puffy for our stuff to put here, right? So we have we're going to be using this. You use it to connect with your phone. And if you want to use the system, we have this, and we have other cables here that you can use. So now let's set up right away. As you can see, this one, for you to turn on the noise cancellation, you have to click on this yellow button, and it's going to change color. Can you see? You turn on the green, the yellow, and it changed to green. So can you spot the difference now? Do you love this mic? How do you see my voice to the intro, before and after? This is so unique, and you need this mic as a content creator. It's a must have for every content creator or everyone that needs a mic for their products. Get yours now. The link to the product will be in my bio. Bye. Follow me for more tips on product review.